If you're having a hard time believing that manifesting is actually easy, then keep watching because I've got some success stories today that prove that manifesting is easy. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you like this content, let me know by giving this a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. If you would like to work together, that information's in the description box below, as well as links to my other channels. All right, today we're going to go through some success stories that I've collected that prove that manifesting is easy. And I'm going to start with mine if you haven't already heard or you just want a reminder. So I was able to manifest my relationship with my partner now in a super easy and effortless way. I was not focused on it. I was not trying to manifest it. I was in another relationship and I wasn't even trying to fix that anymore or try and get it to where I wanted it to be. I had given up. I'm not focused on it. I'm focused on appreciating, I'm focused on feeling good, I'm focused on my happiness and my joy. And for the most part, I just dropped that subject of relationships. I gave up. You know, this is not working. I don't know if it'll ever work for me, but I can't keep focusing on it because it's making me unhappy. So I just have to make peace with it. I'm going to appreciate whatever I can and just drop it for now. Like, I'm not going to fix this anymore. Right? And then it was not too long. It was maybe, a couple of months. And in comes my partner who I'm with now. And that was like a massive, didn't see it coming. Oh my God, right? Like straight out of the unknown, just blew me away. And, it's my best friend from the past. And it was just mind-blowing. That was like, when that happened to me, not only was I just shocked at how easy it was to replace an old pattern in relationships, me having the relationship I want was just so hard. And so I was shocked at how easy it was to manifest the relationship, right? The person, and how it's always right there. Even if you're not focused on it, even if you don't think it's there and it's ready, it's around the corner, and it's actually easy. It can be easy. Same thing happened with my health. I was struggling with that on and off for the longest time, and I had to give up, basically. I was meditating, but I said, this will be solved eventually. I know eventually that I'll heal, that I'll be healthy, that I'll bounce back. I know it's going to happen for me eventually, but right now I'm not trying to make anything happen. Just let it be. I take the actions that feel good to me, right? Like meditation and all the other stuff I had been doing, which is just basically feeling good, a lot of appreciation, just doing things that, would light me up. And again, unexpected, just happened, just kind of blew me away, came out of nowhere. I wasn't even trying. I wasn't even focused on it, right? I wasn't even focused on it. And you hear that a lot from people. I wasn't even focused on it because it's only your focus on the subject that keeps it away, right? Because we tend to add resistance onto it as we focus upon it. And as you put more positive focus on whatever else and you give less attention to the subjects that are not flowing, not working, they start to work. It's really like Abraham Hicks says, of focusing on, if you have 10 or 9 things that are going wrong in your life and you got one area that's going really, really well, just focus upon that one area and all the rest will come up and match it. And I experienced that. So that's how easy it can be. Okay, so another story is from a client who I'm working with at the moment who, shared her success of weight loss, of how easy it was to lose weight after struggling for so long and nothing was really working. She'd get to a certain point and then no more weight would come off and she was just kind of stuck. And then she kind of gave up a little. She kind of surrendered. She kind of stopped trying to make it happen. And she was just focused on exercising for other reasons, I believe it was just, to feel good, like positive reasons of the exercise of why I want to do this. And she's not trying to do things to lose the weight anymore. And she said it just dropped off. And she can eat whatever she wants now, and it's just an easy subject. If you want more videos like this of me sharing success stories to help you believe more, or if you have your own success story that you want to share, let me know, post it down below, because then I'll create more videos like this, and I might even feature your success story in the video. All right, here's another story on how letting go was able to manifest changes in this woman's body. And so I'm going to read it out. This is a comment on a YouTube video of mine. And the YouTube video is called Letting Go is Acting As If you want to check that one out. Okay, so Ria says, let me tell you how wonderful this is, everyone. Juliet's channel is wonderful and has a lot of good content, but this video is the deal. This is it. I was obsessing over manifesting a physical change in my body, obsessing listening to subliminals and affirmations as often as I could for a week, and I wasn't able to manifest. Helplessly, I watched this video hoping letting go would help. I watched it and decided to assume as if I have it already, and now I won't worry about it anymore. I won't worry about manifesting it. I stopped affirmations and subliminals for a day, and literally in about 20 hours, I'd manifested what I wanted. Detach from your desire because you have what you want already. It's yours. Just be patient to experience it in the 3D also. So that just shows her detaching and letting go allowed it in because it exists right here and now and it's ready to be yours. And so as soon as you detach and surrender, you let go of resistance. As soon as you stop trying to make it manifest, or really, you stop actively worrying about it. You stop worrying about it being there or not. You stop worrying about it manifesting. It'll manifest. And that's exactly what she's talking about. All right, I've got another comment from one of my videos here, True Knowledge. And they say, thank you. Your suggestion had worked for me. I healed my body only in a few days. Lots of love and thanks for you. So again, just a quick, simple example of this person's body healed in a few days. There's also that success story for Neville Goddard's work of the woman who, I've mentioned this in another video, the woman who would every night before she went to bed, she couldn't focus specifically on the money that she wanted, the job. She just wanted to manifest a job. And she couldn't focus on it specifically because there were just so many pieces. There was like clothes she needed to go for the job interview. There was all these different things and it was just bringing up resistance. And so all she did was before she went to sleep, she said, something wonderful is happening to me, and just felt the feelings like something wonderful is happening. And then she would go to sleep. And she did this every night. So she's just practicing the feelings of what that feels like, right? No specifics. Then a few months later, long story short, a friend actually started to send her checks. You know, she bumped into a friend and she started to actually receive money from this person. And then she received this contract that she was going to receive a lot of abundance for the rest of her life. Basically, she attracted effortless abundance. She didn't even need to get a job. She was just trying to manifest a job. But she was so in the feelings of something wonderful is happening to me that she attracted something amazingly wonderful, which was abundance, effortless abundance for the rest of her life. Another story is one that, you know, I found on this forum years ago for Abraham Hicks. And it was like, I've mentioned this in a couple of videos now, so you probably know, a woman living in a trailer, trying to manifest abundance. She's pretty much living in poverty. She's got holes in the floor of the trailer. She's got a big roach problem. It's just so overwhelming. She's trying to imagine it. She's trying to feel, you know, like an abundant person, and she just can't. It's too hard. She can't get there. It's just not working. There's too much resistance. And so she gives up. She says, okay, I'm poor. All right, I'm poor. So I guess I'll just have to be as happy as I can be if this is my life now. And so she's really, truly made that decision to let go of trying to manifest anything And she's only focused on feeling happy. She's only focused on appreciating anything she could, because this is going to be her life. She may as well feel happy. And she said within 30 days of doing that, she manifested an opportunity that led to her having millions of dollars, to the point where she could afford to buy an island if she wanted to. And that money was just so easy and so natural, she didn't even think about it, right? So she went from like no money to a ton of abundance without trying to fix limiting beliefs or blocks, without even visualizing, without even thinking about it. She just dropped the subject, she surrendered, she let go. So she let go of resistance, and she developed a chronic habit of appreciation. So she didn't even know it, but she was getting on the frequency of what she wanted. I love that story. And it's just an example of how easy even the big things can be to manifest, if we just find a reason to let it in, to surrender, and to receive. I've got another comment from one of my videos, which was actually not long ago, one of my recent videos, the Manifest Your Dream Body the Easy Way. Hey Juliet, for the past few months, I have been very much aligned to myself and my body, and I can't explain how my life and my physique have changed now. I lost 10 kilos, and it made me believe more and stay connected. I know now I can do it and reach my dream self. I am already there. I am really grateful. So just a beautiful story, success story, a beautiful example of a few months of being aligned and connected within herself has led to massive changes in her body, her physique, and in her life. If you want more success story videos like this, let me know. Okay, I hope this has helped you to believe a little more. Okay, this can be easy for you. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. Let me know by liking it, sharing it, and subscribing if you haven't already. If you would like to work together, that information is in the description box below for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.